Welcome back to the Golf Cart Experts. I'm Mike with Golf Cart Tire Supply. Today we're going to be installing these LED side mirrors on this E-Z-GO TXT. The tools you'll need for this job are a drill, a 3/8 bit, a 1/8 bit, and a Phillips head bit. These mirrors can be installed on a club cart, E-Z-GO, or Yamaha, but they must have a street legal light kit. These mirrors tie into the turn signals on the light kit and will illuminate when the turn signal is activated. The first step in the process is going to be marking where the screw holes are. The first mark that I made on the roof strut exactly lines up with the other side because we already have that installed. We want to make sure they're at the same height so that when you look at the cart from the front, the mirrors are at the same height on the roof struts. We will now drill this hole to be able to mark the other ones. You're going to want to use the bracket that's attached to the mirror now to be able to mark the holes for the screws. You're going to line up the hole that you've already made with the wire hole to be able to mark the holes for the screws to go through. Once you have the other two holes marked, this is where you're going to use the 1/8 inch bit to be able to drill for the other screw holes. Now that you have the two screw holes drilled as well as the wire hole, the next step in the process is going to be feeding the wire through the roof strut. Now that you have the wire fully fed through the roof strut, you're going to use the supplied hardware to connect it to the roof strut. This next step is at the owner's discretion, and what we're doing here is hiding the wire. You can either wrap it around the cowl of the body or do what I'm going to do, which is angle drill behind this roof strut to be able to feed the wire through for a little bit cleaner look. Once you have the hole drilled, you're going to want to feed the wires through the hole. You're going to want to connect the wires from the LED mirror to the wires coming out of the turn signal on your existing kit. You're going to want to connect the black to the black and the red to the red. Use the included wire connectors that came with your kit. Once you have it all properly wired up, it should be good to test out. That concludes the installation of the LED side mirrors. If you like what you saw in today's video, please subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching the video.